Shall? Yes.
Hi, good evening,
Uh,
everyone. Yes,
Introduce yourself.
my name is Priya. My father name is Gunderao. My mother name is Sharanamma. My father is an government servant. My mother is tailor. I completed my PU2 science. My favorite subject is mathematics, and I will become a engineer.
I want to become an engineer.
I want to become an engineer.
Okay.
My hobbies are reading, writing, and
Okay.
listening.
Hmm.
Uh, I have sister, but I don't have brother.
Okay.
My sister completed her 10th,
Yes.
and
Hmm. Okay. So, okay, you have given your introduction, but
yes,
I'll ask you a question you have to answer.
yes, sir.
One more question, sir. Why did you join this Republic Spoken English Academy? So, what is your purpose? Please, you tell.
Because I want to improve my communication skills,
Okay.
and I want to learn
Hmm.
English.
Okay.
I want to speak English.
Yes.
I want to build my confidence,
Okay.
and
That's why you joined
yes,
this
sir.
course. How many days did you attend these classes?
I attend uh, only six
You
class.
attended six
Yes,
classes.
sir.
Okay, how do you feel after attending six classes? How are you feeling now? Okay, do you feel that you speak English fluently?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just you explain how do you feel?
Sir, I am feeling better,
Okay,
and I have confidence about
okay,
myself.
okay, yes.
I I feel I can do it.
You feel you can do it.
Yes, sir.
Can you speak English
Yes, sir. I can.
within 1 month?
Yes, sir. I can
Okay,
speak.
fine. So you have attended classes for 6 days.
Yes,
Within
sir.
6 days, you have got some confidence
Yes,
that you
sir.
can speak English.
Yes, sir.
That's really fantastic. Okay, so one more question. When did you complete your QC? When did you complete your QC?
Last month, sir.
Last month you completed.
Yes,
How
sir.
much percentage did you get?
I got 80%,
You
sir.
got 80
Yes,
percentage.
sir.
Okay, so what was your expectation? What was your percentage expectation?
My expectation is about.
My
My
expectation
expectation
was
was
okay.
about 85%.
Okay, your expectation was 85%,
Yes, sir.
but you got it 80%. Are
80%.
you happy?
No, sir.
You are not
I
happy.
am not
Okay.
sufficient.
Do you think percentage is okay more important than knowledge?
No, sir.
Which is important? Is percentage is important or knowledge is important? Please you
Knowledge is
explain.
important, sir, but
Ah,
for
okay, okay,
case I will do engineering, sir. That's
okay.
why I need
You need
theory
percentage to
percentages, sir.
get engineering
Yes,
seat.
sir.
Okay. For getting engineering seat, you need percentage.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For getting jobs, you need knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's nice. So one more question I would like to ask you. You tell me after okay joining okay this institution after attending few days classes okay and after actually coming to this class
Yes,
for
sir.
6 days you are saying that I got confidence and
I
I
can do.
feel I can do it. I feel I can speak English.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I have developed my self confidence. You are talking about your improvement.
Yes.
Okay, so what would you like to suggest your friends? What would you like to say your friends to improve their English communication? What should they do? Because they are here for developing English communication. They are here for developing their personality. They want to also improve their English because English communication has become most important nowadays. Nowadays, everyone wants to learn English.
Yes, sir.
Everybody has to learn English. Exactly. Okay. So that's why. What is your suggestion to your friends? So what would you like to suggest to your friend? How should they improve their English? Okay.
English is not.
Please, you give some tips. Okay. How they should improve their English? To learn English, what should they do?
Sir, first one,
Uh,
listening
okay, they should listen English.
English,
Okay,
and
you tell them. You don't tell me. You should tell them. First, if you want to learn English, you listen every day.
if you want learn English, you
Oh,
listen every day,
speak up. I
and
can't hear you. Yes. You
speak
use the hands.
and
Use your hands.
speak. Uh, uh,
You
you
speak
speak
English.
English,
Okay.
and write English.
Okay.
You should read English,
Okay.
and you should read newspapers daily.
Okay.
And English is not our mother tongue.
Okay.
It is global language,
Exactly.
and
Okay.
we
Hmm.
we cannot learn within 15 days or 5 days.
Yes.
We must do hard work,
Yes.
and
Good.
you if
Hmm.
you do hard work, you
Okay.
can learn
Ah.
very easily,
Okay.
and
Yes.
you talk confidently.
You speak English confidently.
You speak
Do you
English.
think English communication is very important nowadays?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how it is important? Can you please tell why English communication is most important?
Nowadays, English is everything.
Okay. How it helps us in
Wherever you go,
okay.
all is no English.
Okay.
So that's why we must be learn English.
We must learn English. Wherever we go, people talk in English, and
Yes, sir.
that's why if we want to communicate with people, if we want to convey the message, we should know English.
English.
Okay, so if we do not know English, it's very difficult for us to communicate with people. That's why we have to know English.
Yes, sir.
Your point, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. That's very interesting. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. You are talking very nicely because within 5 to 6 days you got good confidence. I
Yes, sir.
really appreciate that. And one more question I would like to ask you. Okay, to develop our self confidence.
Yes, sir.
Okay, to develop their self confidence. What should they do? Okay, can you please share your tips? Okay, because they don't have self confidence. They have a lot of fear, and they sometimes they don't trust themselves, they don't believe in themselves. If they want to develop their self confidence, what should they do? So, can you please share your tips? Open your hands. Yes, use your hands.
First,
Yes.
who is your close friend?
Okay.
First, you talk with you start with talking them,
Okay.
because
First, they should talk with their close friends.
close friends,
Then
because
after that,
there are your close friends.
okay.
Where you are mistaking, they correct it.
Yes, who will correct it?
Our your
Friends
close
will
friends.
correct.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Then you getting
Hmm.
confident,
Okay.
and you can speak with
Okay. Your
all
friends.
your all friends.
Yes. Okay, fine. So
And
fine. Okay. So do you have any fear? You are talking in front of your friends. Do you have fear?
yes, sir.
You have fear.
Yes, sir.
Really? Really?
Some, sir.
I have
Not.
some fear,
I have some
but
fear.
I don't have much fear.
I don't have much fear.
Are you confident or
Yes,
not?
sir. I am confident.
You are confident. Can
Yes.
you speak English?
Yes, sir. I can speak
Are you
English.
happy?
Yes, sir. I am
Are
very
you-
happy.
Are you happy today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you tell me something. Tell us about your mother. Tell me about your mother.
My mother name is Sharanamma.
Okay.
She is very hard worker,
Okay.
and she is a backbone of my family.
Okay.
She is cook delicious.
cooks.
She
She
cooks
cooks.
delicious food for
Okay.
our family.
Okay.
She is everything for me.
She is everything for me. Okay.
She is a beautiful
Hmm.
gift from God,
Okay.
and she is lot of supporting me.
She supports me a lot.
She supports me a lot,
Okay.
and she is also supporting me my education purpose.
Okay.
Whatever she says, it
Okay.
is my good things only.
Okay.
She is always caring me,
Hmm.
and
She always takes care of me.
she is always takes care of me,
Okay.
and she helps me
Okay.
for anything,
Okay.
and
Okay,
she is-
fine. So actually, there are many students who want to learn English.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what would you like to say to them? You have joined the Republic Spoken English Academy for
Yes,
English training. You want to develop your English communication. You want to develop your personality. You want to improve your English. You want to learn grammar, and you want to actually communicate in English very fluently without
sir.
making mistake. So you have attended our classes. So
Yes, sir.
what would you like to say to other people? There are many students, they have a lot of interest in learning English.
Yes,
So
sir.
what would you like to say to them? So about this classes and about our training center. So what's your opinion? How do you feel? So your opinion you have to share.
We must be do day to day work,
Okay.
and whatever sir says,
Okay.
we must be
No,
follow.
actually, see here. there are many people in Kalburgi. I am
Yes, sir.
talking about Kalburgi city. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so in Kalburgi city, lots of students want to learn English.
Yes, sir.
Okay, they are highly qualified, but they don't have good communication skill. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so what would you like to say to people about our institution? Yes,
It
whether
is
it
very
is
good institution.
okay.
Uh, Here
Hmm.
practicing also there,
Okay.
and
Hmm.
we must be talk.
We must talk in English.
We must be talk in English,
Okay.
not Kannada,
Okay.
and we must do homework,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
and
Hmm.
we must speak
Hmm.
in per day
Okay.
7 hours.
Okay.
We
Right.
can.
Okay, fine. So you spoke very well because you are a beginner, so
Yes,
you are
sir.
making some mistakes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are very good at English. You can definitely improve your English. You don't worry. So it will take some time.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All the best.
Thank
Please
you,
have
sir.
your seat.